it's not a flash decision. It's always there, you know. Choice between serving in the government and sacrificing a lot, you know, especially time. The job in government is very demanding. Start to work early, finish late. My family is growing. You know, I have 10 grandchildren who are always rooting for me. So, well, I've been in the private sector before. Although it's a matter of deciding whether. Well, I always thought of public service not as a career. You know, it was an opportunity to serve, and I was very thankful to the president that he gave me the opportunity to at least spend for 2 years to do public service. I'm very happy about the collective accomplishments that we were able to achieve. And now I thought, after thinking for few minutes, you know, thinking for a few weeks, finally decided that it's time for me to go back to where I was, to the private sector,
But
and be able to spend more time with my family.